Increase the rotation speed slightly. We need to clear this layer faster.
Confirmed. Ramping up now. Watch the vibration.
All right, we're assembled. Start unloading the seismic gear.
Confirmed.
Watch the wind. Sand buildup is heavy around the treads.
My suit indicator is showing a pressure drop.
We need more hands on the solar array.
Coming now.
Is the water tank secured?
Watch the frame lift together now.
Okay, put it down right here.
We need more canvas by the third tent.
Place the probe right here, near this outcrop.
Okay, it's in. Readout is stable.
Good, let's check the next sensor array.
Keep it moving left. Stop. Right there. Roger that. Holding position. Increase the rotation speed slightly. We need to clear this layer faster.
Confirmed. Ramping up now. Watch the vibration.
Keep the rotation speed consistent. We're coring the next section.
Confirmed. Speed holding steady. How's the pressure on your end? Bring it down easy, just a few more feet.
Watch the alignment on this side, almost there.
We're clear, keep coming down slowly. We did it!
We finally did it!
Look at that flow, it's beautiful.
This changes everything.
Hold it right there. Lower it slowly. Easy now, easy.
Keep that steady. We need a clean seam on this section. Watch the pressure.
Hold it right there, a little lower.
Alignment is perfect. Set it down. Check the manifold pressure, reading high on gauge 3.
Adjusting the bypass.
Looks good now, target reached.
All right, pull the tape to the next marker.
We're at 50 meters.
Looks aligned. Go ahead and spray the line. coming. We need more pipe over here. All right, pulling now.
Ponlo aquí.
¿A esta altura?
Sí, y rápido que el sol está fuerte.
Be careful with this tray.
I know, the wind is strong today. Move to the next row. This one is done.
All right, I'm
Come on
coming.
in. Watch the roots on that one. Okay, set it down gently. We need 2 more for this row.
Next row over here.
Got it, passing them down now. It's a little deeper on the left side, right there.
Okay, got it.
This sun is relentless. We need a break soon.
Just a few more holes here, then we can rest.
Make sure the roots are completely covered. Yes, almost done with this row. Let's move to the next one.
Deeper here.
Water the others immediately.
Bring more saplings to the end of the line.
Yes, that's perfect.
All right, everyone, let's move to the next row. Come on.
We need more pressure on this row. The trees at the end aren't getting enough.
My data says the flow is balanced.
But I'll check the regulator again.
These rows look promising, but we need to check the moisture levels further down.
The irrigation system ran last night. The tablet readings confirm it. Look at the yield on this row. It's much higher than the last section.
Yes, the data confirms it. The soil composition here is better.
The spots are spreading faster than anticipated on this branch.
Agreed. We should isolate this section and analyze the samples back at the lab.
Look at the discoloration here and the spots on the underside.
Yes, that's definitely it. Go ahead and spray it.
Tree 4, section 2, marked.
Look at this new growth, it's completely clear.
I know, the recovery rate is exceeding our projections. We should update the report immediately.
Check the color on these. They're ripening faster than the last row.
Okay, I'm logging the data now.
The plums look heavy this year.
Yes, let's start on this row first.
Look at this tree over here. The fruit is perfect.
Oh.
Yes, but watch out for the wind. It's getting stronger.
How are the lower branches looking?
Mostly clear over here. We need more baskets.
Try that branch up there, B. Use the extended grip.
Got it, A. Dropping them down now.
Up, two, up, two. Keep the pace now.
Pour it here, quickly now.
This crate is full, move to the next one. These are the best plums we've picked all season.
Make sure this crate is full before the truck arrives.
Move to the next row, these are clear.
Bring the crates over here.
We need more bins over here.
I'll grab them. How are the purples looking?
Mostly good, just a few soft spots.
Watch the tractor on the left. Bring those crates over here now. We need more water up front.
The sun is relentless today.
Yes, but the harvest is worth it. We should get back soon.
Bring the crates over here.
We need more pickers on the west side.
Careful with those, they bruise easy.
Make sure these are packed tight. We don't want any bruising on the way to the market.
Got it. These look like the sweetest ones yet. Put the next one right here on the corner.
Got it. Watch the wind.
Back it up straight. Keep coming.
Watch the pallet on the right. Easy, easy, and stop.
Apúrate, trae la caja.
Ponla aquí, con cuidado.
Ya merito acabamos, muchachos.
Stack those next ones on the left side. We have more coming.
Yeah, I got it.
This load is secure, boss.
Lower it easy now. Copy that. Moving to position, Charlie.
Make sure those straps are tight. We're moving out soon.
Secured, boss.
All right, everyone, let's roll.
Watch the quality on this batch.
Okay, sending the small ones down.
Clear that bin, it's full.
This one has a soft spot. Yeah, toss it. Oh. Check the ones coming up on the left.
Stack that one over there. Watch the weight on this side. Got it, almost done here.